Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, December 6th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi Alex, good morning. How is the coffee today?
Hi David, good morning. The coffee is hot? I like it black.
Me too. Strong coffee helps me start the day. You look busy already.
Yes, I have a big project meeting later. And you?
Sales calls all morning. Clients want updates. Crazy schedule. This coffee smells good. I need 2 cups today.
Yes, me too. Long day ahead. Pass the sugar?
Here, 2 sugars for me. Black and sweet.
Thanks. Weekends go fast. Back to work already.
True. But coffee break is nice. Hey, did you see the news in the Boston Globe about Trump's pardons?
Yes, I read it. The controversial pardons. What do you think?
It's wild. Trump gives pardons to some people. Now everyone says it costs him politically.
True, leaders need good image. Like our boss here.
Exactly. If boss makes bad choices, team complains a lot.
Yes, pardons break rules. It makes people angry.
Right? The article says Trump's pardons are controversial. People talk about it.
Do you think he planned it? Or just quick decision?
Who knows? Maybe friends asked him for help.
Possible in politics, friends matter, but bad idea now.
Yes, like in sales. If I give bad deals to clients, I lose trust.
Good point. No more clients come back. Trust is key.
Politics is like business. One wrong move and boom.
Boom is right. Team loses faith. Projects stop.
Haha, yes. Pour me more coffee? This news wakes me up more than coffee.
Sure, here you go. Careful, it's hot.
Thanks. Now, what about the WSJ article on debt?
Oh, the debt one. Yes, politics and debt do not mix well.
It says, look at Europe. High debt there makes things tough.
Exactly. Europe has big debt problems. US should learn.
Crazy numbers. Governments spend too much.
Politics mixes with debt. It gets very hard.
Like our company budget. We watch every dollar.
Yes, if we spend too much, boss gets mad.
Deadlines come. Cuts happen, no bonuses.
Governments too. High debt means cuts in services.
People suffer, schools, roads, all bad.
WSJ warns Americans. Do not mix politics and debt like Europe.
Smart advice. In office, we plan, budgets close.
No big spends without reason. Step of this step.
Right. I read Noity has 1,700 journalists on this. Big team.
They report world news. Helps us understand.
Yes, debt news scares me. Prices go up.
Maybe. We save money now. Good habit. Good point. Now one more news from Boston Globe on teens and news media.
The survey? Yes, lost generation of news consumers.
84% of teens dislike news media.
They say biased, crazy, boring, bad, depressing.
Sad number, 84% is huge.
Teens hate news. They use phones for fun only.
TikTok games, no newspapers or TV news.
My nephew is 16 years old. Never reads news.
Mine too, 14 years old. News is depressing, she says.
Bias, they call it. Crazy world.
We need to teach them. Make news fun.
Like office training. Simple videos, short clips.
Yes, short and good, like our coffee chats.
Perfect. Make news like this break. Quick talk.
Society changes fast. Teens want fast info.
84% negative words. Bad for future.
Who reads news then? Us adults only.
Maybe, but we must fix it. Short emails, clear points.
Like our work emails? No long boring ones.
Exactly. Boss likes short reports.
Teens could learn that. Quick and fun news.
Good idea. News for phones, videos.
Yes, colors, music, not just words.
My nephew watches YouTube news sometimes.
Short ones? 5 minutes max?
Yes, he likes that. Not full articles.
Smart. We adapt. Like projects change.
Clients want short emails too. No walls of text.
True. Keep it simple. Wins every time.
This chat is best part of morning.
Agree news plus coffee? Perfect start?
Weekend was good? Family time?
Yes, park with kids, you?
BBQ with friends? Rain stopped it?
Oh no, next time better.
Hope so. Work waits now.
My meeting starts soon. Big one?
Sales calls for me. Clients online.
Good luck. Close those deals.
Thanks. You nail that project.
Will do. See you tomorrow.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.